Now to some breaking news. This is out of Grant County at this hour. A fire at a fertilizer plant. This is just outside of Moses Lake. That is where our Janelle Finch traveled to this evening as we try to get updates.
At Stueve Construction, we operate as a cohesive unit to build the best agribusiness facility you can get. The team effort is reflected in our work ethic and the outstanding quality and details of our fertilizer construction projects. The Stueve Construction Company takes great pride in our team's work ethics and the skills and capabilities of all our employees. Each Stueve project is assigned a team which includes in-house engineering staff, a project coordinator, a pre-construction manager, in-house project managers, and on-site superintendents to get the job done right. Stueve Construction will exceed your project requirements and deliver your company a truly exceptional building solution. We promise to make the process of constructing a facility easy for your team and on budget. Call Stueve Construction today at 800-357-3110 to talk with a sales advisor about your next project.